all yours.
Sorry about that. I didn't really.
No, dude, that's great, man.
I was just messing around.
That's great, dude. That's awesome, man. Look at that.
I'm thinking in my mind, okay, I gotta get this around the pole.
We're just putting along, and it's like.
Yeah, Jack hits it. I'm like, really?
Well, I put it in reverse, and it was like going forward. See, we're in reverse now, and we're like just sitting here. We're not moving. Yeah, man. That's the way to do it. I don't think we've ever caught a jack up under here. Well, you did catch that one out there on the sandbar, didn't you?
Oh, I did? Oh, yeah.
But I mean, we're under the bridge here, man. Nice, dude. That's a nice jack. Nice way to start the day. Right there. Let's see him. Is it a French jack or just an American jack? We'll get out here and pitch a couple lures in the spot. All right, I got the camera on you, kids. Nice. Look at that. Jeez. How about that? You were trolling, right?
No, I was casting.
Oh, were you? Dude, I put it in reverse and the canoe started going forward.
I was
like, what the hell's going on, man? I'm like trying to back up and the canoe's just like.
I was trying real fast to get it past the.
It just started going forward, man.
You guys are kidding me. That never works.
That was crazy.
I casted like that.
Hey, did you check your line to make sure it isn't all frayed? Yeah. Good catch, man.
Actually, at first I thought it might have got stuck, but sometimes it's...
I was surprised. I thought you might have had a snag. You all right? All right, let's get over here where there'll probably be more of them. If they're out here, they'll definitely be over here. All right, see you guys in a bit. Something over here nibbling. He is. Little mangrove. Coming into the hole. He's a baby. He's a little feller. Maggie? What's up, Maggie? Snap, snap. See you, buddy. Yep. Casey's hooked up. Yeah, buddy. That's all right. Just be quiet. Laugh or cheer or do anything like that. There you go. Got the camera on you on the right over here. Nice jack, man. Another nice jack. There you go. Hey, a little guy, man. Came to the party. Oh, he let go. Jeez, man, that was a drag puller, man. He was pulling my drag out. Oh, Casey's hooked up.
They don't even hit hard sometimes.
Don't need a trolling motor today, Case. Here's another one just pulling us along.
Oh, look at this one, man.
Nice one, man. Nice one. Let's see him.
Oh, dude, he's a monster, dude.
He's a big one, man. All right, I'm going to drive you around him. Here we go. I'm going to drive you around him. This is what we do, guys. We chase him with the boat. We're cheating. Oh, yeah, nice fish, Case.
Yeah, I got to wear him down.
I got you, man. I'm going to just follow him around until he's tired.
I'm just going to wear his ass down.
Yep, we're just going to follow him until he's tired. He's a nice one, dude. See, you were waiting for today.
Yeah, well, I got my ass hammered lots of times.
Yep, so you got some luck going today, man. That's the way it should be. Nice fish. Nice fish, Casey.
Well, I just want to grab the jig.
No problem, man. Take your time.
I don't think this is going to be easy.
Yeah, put the rod in the holder.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to do, because I had to get it.
You got to get that line, though. Yeah. Now just run your hand down the line real fast. Run your hand down the line. Perfect. Big one. All right. Catch, buddy. Oh yeah, a little bit bigger than that last one, isn't he?
Yeah. About 4.
He's about a 4-pounder, man. Yeah, he's got some pretty rainbow colors on his belly. That's unusual. Look at that, like pink and blue. Real pretty. Yeah, I'll zoom in on him when I do the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at the blue and the purple and pink on there.
Yeah.
Jeez, man, he's like a rainbow jack.
All right, here you go.
See you later, buddy. Woo. 3 for 3.
Huh?
It's a Jack Day.
No, that's 4.
Or is that your 4th one?
Yeah.
Wow. Damn, I'm in the hole. I feel like I'm playing the Bucks in the Super Bowl here, man.
Wow, dude, look at this.
There we go. Pressure on. Keep the pressure on.
Hey, we'll be back that way.
Turn in the canoe. Turn in the canoe. Turn in the canoe. Turn in the canoe. Yeah, he ain't giving nothing, man. He ain't giving me a break at all. He's going back towards the mangroves on the other side, man. I think he knows where he's at. What the heck is this, Casey? Doesn't feel like a jack. Oh.
Doesn't?
No, it kind of feels like something different. It's fighting me in a strange way. No, there's some shaking going on. I'm just gonna shut the pump off here. Oh man, this thing's a beast, dude. Oh, this is a big fish, Casey. He's a strong one. He's a drag puller. Look at him pulling my drag. He's pumping, man. Woof. Look at him. Ah! I can't get no line on him. I'm gonna have to let him start pulling me down the channel. All right, no you don't. No you don't. Bump it a little bit. There he is. Can you see him?
Yep, jack.
Yep, looks like a jack, don't it?
He's a very angry
I think
one.
I got him just in time, dude. He was heading for those mangroves right there. Whoa, holy crap, holy Casey, he's big. He's a big one. He's a big one, man. He's a big one. He's still pulling drag. Wow. This one might be a big one. Let's chase him around. Sorry about all the driving I'm doing here, but he's not giving me much, man. He's still pulling drag after all that. Good thing I got him out in the middle, dude. This thing would have took me right in the mangroves. I couldn't have stopped him. There we go, guys. Get a good look at him. He's a monster. He's probably the biggest one we've caught yet, Casey.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I don't know. He's huge. I'm just going to be careful with him. Do not want to break this fish off. Do not want to break this fish off. Jeez. I'm gonna use the motor. Motor off down it. There he goes underneath. Good Lord, Casey.
And again, you're using a lighter little fish casting rod.
Good Lord.
They always seem to fight you harder on that.
Trying to keep him from getting under the boat. There he is.
Oh, that's a nice jack.
That's a big jack, Casey. All right, guys, we'll try to get a shot of him. Casey breaks me off. Look at that big jack. Camera. What do you say? Stop messing with your camera.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, buddy. Let me unhook you. Yeah, I wasn't losing this one. I got him right in the corner. Perfect hook. Perfect hook set. Hang on. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. Oh, look at that big guy. Look at that beautiful fish. I say this a lot. See you later, buddy. Alrighty. Got the skunk off the board, Case. Yowie. Alright, this thing's on now, so
Don't trifle with me.
make sure you catch. Yeah, don't trifle with me. Just a bit of doing do. We gotta watch some more Monty Python tonight, Casey. I love the weather in December. It's perfect. It's so perfect. I wonder what it'll be like in January, if it'll be cold. I hope I don't get that freaking cold, man. Oh, Casey's got a beast.
Another nice jack.
Another nice jack. Yep.
Yes, jack.
Yep. Let's see what you got, man.
It's head shaking.
He's a head shaker, huh? Likes his heavy metal?
I don't care. I need to.
Doesn't seem like a big one.
I don't matter. I needed a fish
But
after
still,
that.
that's a nice fish, man.
I needed a fish after
Yeah,
that.
after that snook broke you off, hey, at least we got a look at him. All right, man. Nice little going out in the deep water, not catching nothing.
There he is.
Woo! All right. You gotta say it right. There we go. Casey got a big old jack. Yes, indeed.
Oh, dude, his tail's bit off, dude.
Something bit his tail off?
Yeah, like you don't have a top tail.
And he fought that hard. Wow.
Oh my god. That's
Nice
probably
fish.
about the size of the one
Yep.
you just got.
He's pretty big. He's close.
All right, I'll give you a kiss.
Oh, this one gets a kiss, huh? All right. See you later, buddy. He's hooked up again. That's another one.
I don't know. Oh yeah, this is Jack.
He's fighting, man. Holy crap, dude.
Jack. God, look how erratic they are.
Jeez, he's fighting you, man. He's fighting you. I got a snag here on the line. Got him under control.
That is a fish that is on crack.
They are, man. Jack crack. He's taking
Yeah.
Jack crack. Another nice one.
Jeez.
Wow. Another big one.
Come here, biggin.
Good catch, Case. It's your day today. It's your day to catch them. Woo! Damn, they are running big. The little ones are in between a little, but mostly big.
Whew.
Nice fish, Case. He's purdy.
Uh,
All right.
oh my god.
You got him, Case. He's taking a run.
Oh, he came off.
Ah, okay, he's out there still.
Damn it.
He didn't break you off, did he?
No.
Oh, jeez, dude.
See? Jack.
He's going for the mangroves, man. Look at him. Pulling on
Might
my
not be
drag
Jack.
out. He's pulling my drag, dude. He's coming up to the top because it's shallow there.
Might not be a Jack. Yeah, it's kind of.
I don't know what it is. Let's see if he
it was-
jumps.
Oh,
Double hook.
damn.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
Yep, they're in here. Oh my.
I gotta get my shrimp in here real fast.
Oh, this has never happened.
I don't think we've ever had a double jack
Not
hook
like
up.
this.
I'm holding
Oh,
my.
these are big fish. Oh, I lost them again.
Oh no.
God,
Ah,
man.
Casey. Jeez.
I pulled my
He
hook.
didn't break you off there.
I pulled my hook.
Not a break off?
Uh-uh.
Ooh, this one is, he is one to fight me. Another one that's a fighter. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Penalty out.
Here it comes. Yeah, you have a whole pack. I'm like thinking you're down to one again, but you're good. I might have to go over your head here, so. Let's see what we do. You know, they like to go side to side, boy, these jacks do. On the left, Casey, you're right in my line.
Are you?
You're gonna hit me.
Oh.
Right here. Let's see what we can do. Get him up here. Right here. Whoop.
There he is.
Another hoss.
You got him. You got
Yeah.
the beat.
Look at that thing, guys. got him beat yet. He's still pulling. Now I got him. Another big one, Case. Oh, this one's talkative. This one's got something to say. He's like, dude, hook me, man. Hook me, man. Get that thing out of my mouth. All right. Woo, he's a flipper. Here we go, guys. Another gorgeous Jack. Look at that fish. You are beautiful, buddy. I'm gonna get you back in the water. See you later, buddy. Nice fish. Nice fish, mate.
Oh, shit.
Holy crap,
Oh, I
Casey.
lost it.
Oh my God, dude, that
Jack.
thing was
That
huge.
wasn't a Jack.
Whatever that was a very large fish, what you just had. All right, I don't know what I got. I would imagine it's a Jack.
I casted it under the mangroves.
Dude, that thing was massive, whatever that was. It might have been a tarpon even. Oh my God, that sucks, dude. We both broke off. I broke off two really big fish. All right, let's see if we can get back over here to what that was. Just as we started to move out of here.
That's what I told you every time we freaking move.
Yep. Well, it's because we kind of spooked the area. This one's wanting to go to the bottom.
Jack.
Another Jack. Yeah. All right, buddy. Come on over here.
I don't think that was a Jack that hit that.
Yeah, he's a big fella.
I've hooked them all day long, and I know they're strong, but that was just like I'm normally strong, and that was like that snook that I hooked.
There we go, buddy. Let's get a good look at you. Nice fish. See you there, buddy. Okay.
Jeez, I wonder what that is.
Look at it. Look at him pulling you.
See, Jacks,
Look at him pulling you.
Jacks, you can
Holy
move.
crap.
See, that wasn't a Jack when I hooked.
What do you mean? He's moving the canoe. You ain't moving him.
Well, that's just because he's...
I see yellow.
yeah.
Don't let him get on. Don't touch the canoe. Put that rod in the water. There you go. He's a back and forth.
You sons of bitches.
He's a back and forth.
Dude, he hit me like 2 feet from the damn boat.
They are in here today. Woo! That one don't want to get caught, man. That's a big one. Another big
my
one.
God.
Jeez, dude, look at the size of the thing. Holy crap. That might be the biggest one yet, Case.
I don't know.
You might have the day record.
Oh, maybe for the day, but I don't know for...
Woo! Nice. Nice big fish.
Damn.
Woo! Look at that guy. Yeah, he's not the biggest one. He just looked big. I guess I should have the camera on in case you got another big fish right under the boat. For some reason the camera keeps turning itself off.
I tell you, this is the strongest medium freaking rod I've ever had.
You're not breaking the rod. You ain't breaking the
rod. Look at this damn thing, man. Look at it bending.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo! He's a big boy.
Big boss.
Yeah, he is. Grab that lure. Don't grab the line.
No, I mean, I know, but I gotta...
Well, you can grab the leader. That's okay. As soon as you grab that line, though, that seems like it breaks right off. Nice one. He's another big one. They're all running about that 3 or 4 pound size today.
Yeah, like consistently.
Yep. Little bloody lip.
Look at his mark.
Nice.
He's got a mark on the side.
He's got a lot of blue on him too. That one does. Nice fish. There you go. All right, it's filming. Oh man, don't let go. He's a drag puller. He's pulling my drag. Whoa. 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 Damn. He's way out there. He does not want to come in. Sorry. Keep this right about here, Keith. He's way out yonder. This one does not want to come in. He's not budging, man.
Jeez,
He's coming around you, up on the front. at him. He's going for the mangroves over here on the left. He's shaking. I think he just turned. He's trying to get in those mangroves. You can see him. Oh. Damn. He's fighting the motor now. He's pulling back against the motor. Oh my God, man. Ah, oh, geez, Case, look at the size of this. Look at this line, man. It's singing. It's not Welcome to the Jungle this time, though. This is Run with the Giants. We gotta run with the Giants. All right, I think he's tiring out a little bit. Here he comes.
Starting to get him.
Yeah, here he comes. Well, he came out into the channel. He kept trying to worry about them mangroves. I think now he's trying to sound. He sees the canoe. He's probably thinking he can get over here and break me off. Now I can't see nothing because it's right in the sun. Smart fish. Oh. He's pulling drag on me still.
Yeah, he's not even that big. I mean, he's decent.
Big on this line. This rod. Big enough.
Wow, he's fighting way harder than...
Alright, you're good. You can keep fishing. Get enough line up to get him up. No, you don't.
Love it. Then they get me.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, there we go. There we go. Another monster jack, guys. Okay, buddy. You're barely hooked. I can't believe I got you. Alright, guys. Whoop. He's heavy. Oh, he's 4 pounds easy. Ah, big fish. Big fish. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do a nice little release on you, buddy. See that? Beautiful fish. Oh, wow. Another big one. Here he is. Alright, guys. These jacks have been kicking our butt today. I've lost 3 nice ones. Casey's lost a big snook.
Oh, man.
I don't think this is a real big one, though. I can't really tell, though. I mean, sometimes they'll swim towards the boat. It makes them seem small. This one seems a little smaller, though. Oh, he's grabbing a little drag from me here. Man, can't say enough about these Lew's rods, you guys. Anybody watching this video, you want to buy a nice rod for a good price, get yourself a speed stick. It's so sensitive. Casey's using a Shimano rod. How old is that rod, dude? That's probably 10 years old, isn't it? Remember you bought it when we were fishing on the VIP, right? Did you get it after that?
Yeah, I got this a few years ago.
All right, I'm just gonna pop the motor off and finish this guy off here, whatever he is. He's not a monster, but he's nice. He's nice. Oof. Jeez, dude. These jacks back here today are crazy.
You got him.
He's a nice one, dude. Wow. All right, I think I got him. Here. Come on, buddy. You guys just run your hand down the leader. Don't grab the leader. And then grab the plug. That's actually a pretty big one, Casey. He just wasn't fighting as hard for some reason. Oh my God, dude. You are a beast. Let go of my lure. Well, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. It's jack season, guys. It doesn't get much better than that. See you later, buddy. Yeah! Whoa! Look at that rod bending. Good Lord. Lord have mercy. Who needs a trolling motor? Just get a pet jack. Have him pull you around the bayou all day.
Power jack!
Power jack!
Power jack 2000.
Call him on the phone. Jesus, look at this thing pulling us around.
See, I think on my spinning rod I can get a little more torque on it than you can.
Jeez, look at that, man. He is frying your ass. Your line is sizzling, man. It sounds like we're having French fries or something. Whoa!
Oh, I wasn't ready for that.
No. Yeah, I cast it out again. I thought you had him beat. There you go.
No, I don't have him beat yet.
I'm gonna try to stay out of your way here. Let's fight you on the left. They always go back to the right though, because that's where they know they're gonna get unhooked. They like that. Nice. Nice flopper. Yeah, look at that thing. All right, Casey. Good job, buddy. That's a beast.
Yeah, I got one or two of them that are bigger than this one, but
This one's talking to you, man. He's like, hey, man. Grunt. Let me back in. I was chasing some minnows.
I was chasing some minnows.
Yeah, dude, I was in the middle eating dinner when you caught my ass. That ain't right.
And one of them hooked me.
Yeah. He's like, that was the wrong minnow. Wonder why he looked different than the rest of them. Saltwater Assassin, if you're watching this, I'll put your sticker on my canoe. I spent hundreds of dollars on lures. You should ought to send us a pack. Woo! All right, man. Nice catch. Nice 3-pounder. All day. Oh, this is a drag puller. He's trying to get me back up into there. All right, guys. Oh, wow. Put the trolling motor on reverse. So that's what I was doing last week when you were like, stop messing around with the camera. Trying to keep the canoe from getting away. Oh, this one's, dude, he's pulling some serious drag on me. He's definitely got a spot he wants to go and he can see it. Come on now. Come on, Fluffy.
Come on, Fluffy.
He's a poodle jack. I'm straight ahead, Casey, right over your head. Sorry about that. He is bopping, man. I am not letting the pressure off him. If I let the pressure off him, he's going to spit the hook. I can tell he's like barely hooked. And he knows it. He's shaking his head like crazy, dude. Okay, guys. This is what it's like to fight a 4 or 5 pound jack on ultralight. Well, this isn't ultralight. This is light. It's close to ultralight. I mean, I'm using the bait caster. Using a tiny little bait caster and a skinny rod. Yeah, I'd say this lose is probably bordering on ultralight. Oh, he's going around behind me.
Medium heavy rod.
He's coming around the back. Yeah, this is another one, another big one. Oh God, this one's really got some balls, man. Cojones. Jeez. You don't want to give up, dude. Look at this. Whoa. Watch your rod, dude. I'm right over you again.
Well, that didn't work.
Oh. Am I free? Am I free?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
good. Yeah, he pulled it. I couldn't stop him. I don't have enough drag to stop him. He's pulling drag out. I can see him. I know what he is, and he knows what I am. He's like, you don't look like someone who's going to eat me, so at least I know I'm not going to get eaten. God, Casey, look at this thing. It's swimming me around, man. He is pumping. Ooh, that's a nice one. Whoa, that's a nice one, Case. Yeah, I think that's what's going on here. Look at him, man. Oh. Look at that fish, guys. He is not messing around with my ass. He's giving it all he's got. He's at the edge of my drag too. I can't do anything but tire him out. You can't reel.
You're running out of energy though.
I can't reel. Every time I reel, he takes off and runs some more. Hey, he's not as big as some of them, but he's definitely strong. This is probably like that little guy that kicks everybody's ass. You know, there's that one little guy that could fight really good in school. He's like 140 pounds, but you don't want to get in a fight with him.
Oh, we don't.
Look at that, guys. Oh, yes. Big jacks. That's what we got. That's what we got. Yeah, dude, he is barely hooked, man. Barely hooked. If I had let up on him once, he would have got away. Beautiful fish. He's 4 pounds. All day. All day, 4 pounder.
Get him on that size, like 3 to 5 pounds.
See you there, buddy. Well, that's what I prefer, is a big one. The little ones are fun, but if you can catch a big one like that, that's the way to go. Hey, there's the moon and a hook.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Another giant. Look at that thing, man. Casey's staying ahead, too. Okay, I got the motor going.
Dude, they're hitting me like right at the boat.
Oh, they're all right in this little intersection, dude. This
No.
oh, another nice one. Another tray.
He's not real big.
It's about a 3 pounder.
But sizable.
You can't catch a giant every time, Casey.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Wow, look at that fish. I think this might be a good spot to drop the anchor temporarily.
No, every time we do, we are.
No, I'm not gonna.
Like
Like I said, I'm not gonna, but it might be a good place too. But they seem to be swimming in and out of this channel right here to our left. Whoop. Let's get on that fish. Another big one. Jack Attack. I thought we did Jack Attack 2 months ago. It's been like 2 months of Jack Attack.
Oh my dude, it was just as...
Woo! Beautiful. Now he looks normal. He doesn't have a bunch of pink and blue on him. He's got a little bit of rainbowy going, but that one you caught first today, man, he had a lot of like blue and pink in his skin. Now, we're back here. This isn't really brackish water, guys, but it's close. About another quarter mile around that bend up there. That gets brackish.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You gotta snag them?
Really?
Yep. Oh. Trolling. I got one. I think he's gonna try to spool me. He's got about half my line. I think I got him stopped. I think I got the brakes on him. Jeez, dude, he's got about 100 yards of line out. Yeah. See if I can drive the canoe faster than he can swim. No, he's faster than the canoe. Oh, crap. Don't you dare let off. Oh, man, he's fighting me. We're going backwards as fast as we were going forwards. Here he comes. All right, we'll shut the motor off here. See if I can horse him. Horsey. Horse paste. Yeah, he's definitely fighting. Oh, man. Yep. Oh.
That's completely backwards.
Oh. Mr. Troller. Always trolling. So what we do, guys, we drive down this channel here and we fish the whole way down, and then on the way out we troll, because sometimes you catch them on the troll and it's kind of fun. It's a surprise. This is definitely a surprising fish here. I got most of my line back. Oh, he's going behind me. Here he comes. On the left. 3 under. Oh, he's going up under those trees there. This is like a stingray, dude. He's getting in the bottom.
That's not fighting like a jack.
He's getting in the bottom and he's like holding there. I don't think a stingray would have hit that. I'm sure it's a jack. It's just, I think because we were trolling, he's fighting me a little different. He's still pulling drag. But I think I got him finally.
Yeah, it's a jack.
Yeah, for sure. See him. There he is. He ain't giving up though. It's not his moment to give up.
Yep.
Yep. That's a jack. Would have never guessed.
Got him.
He's trying to get under the canoe again. Oh man. Look at him. Surprised he didn't tail whip me just now. Oh. Alright, hang on, buddy. Nice. Another nice fish. Get some line out of here. Alright, buddy. Alright. Another big old jack. How old they are at this size. Look at that thing, man. That's the canal, and that's the fish that swim in it. You're pretty, buddy. You're a beautiful fish. See you there, buddy. All right, Case. There we go. Case found something else.
Swim.
What the hell's that? A little jack.
It's still here.
It's a little fella. That's probably what got you earlier. Oh, there's a sheephead down there. All right, baby jack. Yeah, we used to just call that a jack. Now we call it a baby jack. Oh my God, got the snapper of the century. 100 pounds worth. Must be some little ones down there today. The big ones aren't around. Woo! He's got my shrimp sticking out of his mouth. Whoa, buddy, where you going? That's not the water. Yeah. My shrimp sticking out of his mouth. Hoppa! There's a little better one. Oh. That's a little better. That's more like it. There we go. Hey, Snappy. Snappy McSnap. Chubby little guy. See there, buddy. They're trying to get my tail. It's about 6 feet deep right there. There he is. Snappy McSnappers.
Oh, they're not where I am.
They're right in there. This one's a bit in betweener. He's a tweener. Hey, tweener. Jeez. You didn't want to let go of my shrimp. Hey, buddy. See you later. Shrimp here. Oh man, Casey dragging him out of there.
Oh, sheepy!
You got a sheephead. About
What is
time.
it with me?
You're just a sheephead genius, man.
It's strange. I seem to always, if there's one there, I get it.
You got it now.
And they're always
Yeah, let's see him. Sideways.
It's number 14.
Sideways snap. Good job, bud. Casey got him.
You thought you were slick.
Nice. Nice job there, Roland.
Mangrove snapper. It is a mangrove snapper.
Believe it or not.
It is a mangrove.
I just can't
snapper.
believe it.
I got my shrimp sticking out of it.
Oh yeah, half the time they're not big enough to eat your shrimp the whole way. It ends up sticking out of their mouth. Reel in, make sure you don't mess it over.
There we go.
All right, Casey got one. Matter of time. He pulled him off a little bit. Another jack.
Yeah, I was gonna say it might not be, but then I feel there's that tug.
You know it is. You know it is.
It'd just be kind of nice to hook something else, you know.
Oh, well, that's what's out right now, man. It's the predominant fish in the area this time of year.
Yeah, just when you think it's kind of small, it's not.
No. I don't think there's a whole lot of small ones, man. It seems like they're all pretty good size.
Well, this one's smaller, but it's...
Yeah, let's chase him a little here.
Yeah, that's actually not that
Should be a
small.
pretty good sized fish if he's pulling like that, dude. That's a big ass jack, dude. What are you kidding me?
No, I thought it was smaller than he
That's
actually...
small. Oh, he's not as big as some of the big ones were, but... All yours. Got a bit of the rubber in there.
Yeah, I know.
Just change your name to Jack, Casey.
Out of his mouth.
Oh, I bet he was trying to eat it.
There you go.
Yeah, another 3. Nice one, man. Good catch. I mean, nature really was angry when it designed that thing.
We can say everything in nature has weapons.
God was pissed. God was like, all right, y'all. Y'all are misbehaving. Watch this. Whoa!
God damn!
Hang on to him. Let me get mine in.
Holy Jesus!
Get mine in here. Tangle up. Right, you're clear. You're clear.
Holy shit!
Go get him, Kiss.
This is big.
Get around here.
This
Get
is a
on
big
him.
jack.
Get on him.
I don't know, they always feel bigger than they actually are.
Well, you're going 4 miles an hour, you know.
I was like, this about pulled my damn shoulder out.
Let's get a look at him, whatever he is. He's fighting you, man. We're taking a lot of the stress off. You're gonna get a big run here when we get over him. There you go.
You ain't whipping my ass, buddy.
Let's see what it is, Casey.
Boy.
Let's see what it is. Motor's off. You're good. And he's whipping around, isn't
Yeah,
he?
there he goes.
He's fast. Yeah, that's definitely a jack.
That's a jack. It's a jack. So
Yeah.
many of these damn things are in here today. Alright. Time's up.
Had enough swim time? Swim meet's over. He's skinny.
That's pretty good.
Camera's on the right. Pitch this out. See what we can do.
Hey, we're trolling. We're hooking this thing trolling.
Why not, man? It's fun. I love fishing when we're trolling, man. I mean, I don't usually catch much because I'm busy driving the boat and shit, but it's okay with me. I'm having fun. It's a good time. Let's see, jack number 36. another 2.5. Pretty good size fish.
Yeah, the one that I think I just caught was slightly bigger than that.
Yeah, good fish. See you later, buddy.
Yep.
We'll make one more pass. Get it out. I'm on the right still.
I don't know. I gotta get myself such a... Jeez. Oh, I wonder if you got my line.
No, I got a fish.
Oh,
I think it's a snook.
I got hit too. Look, dude, I got hit too.
Yeah, I think it might be a snook. He came up to the top. Battery's dying. Is there a snook or a ladyfish?
Still got it?
Yeah, it's right here. Lady! I've got a ladyfish! Hey guys. Woo! Haven't had one yet today. There we go. Off she goes. Looked like a snook at first because it was silver, but typically you don't catch snook trolling. Almost out of light. Going right down the middle. Don't get too many chances to go right down the middle here. The tide's up pretty good again. So the tide basically was high when we went out. And it stayed high all day, even though it kind of went out a little bit. Because it was going out when we headed up. home to the kayak launch. Hey guys, thanks for coming with us. Shout out to Lots and Lindsay. Looking forward to seeing your new channel. Kicking ass, brother. Peace.